Let me ask you something uncomfortable. Your paycheck hits your bank account. You feel relief for a moment. And then, almost instantly, it's gone. Not literally gone, but claimed. Rent, bills, subscriptions, small purchases you don't even remember making. Here's the truth no one tells you. Most people don't ruin their finances slowly. They ruin their paycheck in the first 24 hours, without realizing it. And if you've ever wondered why you're in decent money, but still feel broke, this video will explain exactly why. Stay with me, because once you see this, you'll never look at payday the same way again. The payday illusion. Payday feels powerful. Money finally lands in your account, and your brain relaxes. That tension you've been carrying all month, gone. But that feeling is an illusion. Because the moment your paycheck arrives, your brain switches modes. Not into planning mode, not into protection mode. It switches into permission mode. You subconsciously tell yourself, I deserve this. I'll be more careful later. I can afford it now. This is where the damage starts. Not because you're irresponsible, but because your brain is exhausted. You spent weeks making money decisions. Can I afford this? Should I wait? What bill is next? By payday, your willpower is drained, and tired brains make expensive decisions. The 24-hour trap. Here's what usually happens in the first 24 hours after payday. You upgrade something small. You just grab food instead of cooking. You buy convenience instead of control. Nothing feels dangerous. But these are leaked decisions. $6 coffee instead of $3. $30 takeout instead of groceries. $15 subscription you forgot to cancel. Each choice feels harmless. But together, they quietly decide how broke or calm you'll feel for the rest of the month. This is why people say, I don't know where my money went. It didn't disappear. It leaked early. Why this hits high earners harder. Here's something surprising. People who earn more money often feel more stressed. Why? Because higher income creates higher expectations. When you earn more, you upgrade life. Better apartment, better phone, better habits. But your paycheck doesn't feel bigger. It feels fragile. Because more money without a system means bigger bills, bigger commitments, bigger anxiety. That's why raises don't fix money stress. They just raise the stakes. The real reason you feel broke. This isn't about budgeting. It's about uncertainty. Your brain hates not knowing. If you'll have enough, if something unexpected will break you, if you're actually okay. When your paycheck hits and you don't immediately secure the essentials, your brain stays in survival mode. Every purchase feels risky. Every bill feels threatening. That constant background stress, that's not a money problem. That's a system problem. The paycheck rule that fixes this. Here's the rule that changes everything. Before you spend a single dollar, your paycheck needs instructions. The moment money hits your account, it should already know where to go. Here's the order. 1. Protect survival first. Food, housing, utilities, transportation. 2. Pay yourself second. Savings, emergency fund, investments. 3. Only then spend freely. No guilt, no anxiety. Most people reverse this order. They spend first, then hope there's money left. There never is. The 15-minute payday routine. This takes 15 minutes. That's it. Paycheck hits. Automatic transfers move money. Essentials are secured. Savings grow silently. The rest is safe to enjoy. No spreadsheets. No tracking every penny. No mental math at midnight. Just clarity. Why this works? This routine works because it removes decision fatigue. You stop asking, can I afford this? Should I wait? What if something happens? You already decided before emotions got involved. That's how calm replaces chaos. If your paycheck has ever made you anxious instead of confident, you're not broken. You were just never taught this. Your next paycheck can be different. And if this helped you see money more clearly, subscribe, because this channel is about turning income into peace.